Welcome to Cert-Exams.com. In this video, we review Cert-Ex Juniper JNCIA Netsim with Designer. Cert-Exams.com Juniper JNCIA Network Simulator with Designer is a comprehensive software tool that simulates Juno's routers and switches. It is designed to provide users with a virtual environment to practice and test their networking skills for the Juniper Network Certified Internetwork Associate (JNCI) certification exam. Key features of Cert-Exams.com JNCIA Network Simulator with Designer include simulation of Juniper routers and switches. The simulator includes a range of Juniper routers and switches, such as Juniper J2320 router, M7i, and SRX. Virtual environment. The simulator creates a virtual environment that simulates the behavior of physical network devices, allowing users to practice and test their network configurations in a safe, risk-free environment. Graphical user interface, GUI. The simulator includes a user-friendly GUI that enables users to create and modify network topologies, configure router and switch interfaces, and perform basic network operations such as ping, traceroute, and telnet. Command line interface, CLI. The simulator also provides a CLI for accessing and configuring devices, giving users greater flexibility and control over their network configurations. Network visualization. The simulator includes a graphical representation of the network topology, enabling users to visualize and manage their networks more effectively. VLAN support. The simulator supports virtual LAN, VLAN, configuration, allowing users to segment their network traffic and improve network performance. Lab exercises. The simulator provides a variety of lab exercises and scenarios that users can use to practice and test their networking skills, with a variety of difficulty levels and topics. Network Designer. The Network Designer feature allows users to design and customize their network topologies using a drag-and-drop interface, and then simulate the network to test its functionality. Multiple configuration scenarios. The simulator includes a variety of network configuration scenarios that users can practice and test, including NET configuration, MPLS, RIP, OSPF, and switch configuration. Cert-Exams.com JNCIA Network Simulator with Designer is a useful and flexible tool for networking professionals and students who want to improve their knowledge and skills in Juniper Juno's networking and prepare for the JNCIA certification exam. The combination of network simulation and design features makes it an excellent tool for hands-on practice and learning. Disclaimer: please note that the software is for learning purposes and not suitable for production environment. Cert-Exams.com is not associated with Juniper Networks or any other entity. Please read our full disclaimer at Cert-Exams.com. Thank you. Please visit Cert-Exams.com for more information.